Welcome back, traders, to the House of Trade, where we aim to unravel the mysteries of the market and turn it into a fortress of profits. Today, we're delving into the energy market and the game-changing dynamics that are shaking things up. From Russia's invasion of Ukraine to the global shift away from fossil fuels, there's no shortage of drama. But fear not, for Africa emerges as a shining star in this narrative, holding the key to Europe's energy challenges. You see, Africa boasts a treasure trove of energy potential. 13% of global gas reserves and 7% of the world's oil, not to mention vast green energy possibilities. It's like a gold mine of opportunities that could transform the energy landscape, not just for Europe, but beyond. So let's dive a bit deeper into this. We all know that Europe is facing energy challenges due to the reliance on Russian energy and after the invasion of Ukraine. This has led to cuts in energy imports from Russia. Climate change is also a huge driving shift away from hydrocarbon, fossil fuels, petrochemicals, creating concerns for energy security. And nations' lifeblood is energy. The tides are turning and international energy firms are taking note. Some of the key players, Mozambique, Tanzania, with colossal liquefied natural gas, LNG, projects that were once on hold are now getting dusted off. And it's not just gas. Africa is stepping into the oil game as well, with countries like Namibia potentially holding 11 billion barrels of the black gold. Let's talk about the rise of liquefied natural gas, LNG. LNG is rapidly gaining popularity as a clean alternative to fossil fuels. Here, Africa shines even brighter. International energy firms are increasingly looking to Africa to produce LNG, with countries like Mozambique and Tanzania taking center stage. Major LNG projects that were once shelved are now being revitalized, indicating Africa's increasing significance in the global LNG market. These developments are expected to boost Africa's LNG capacity significantly by 2030, addressing energy needs and reducing carbon footprints, which is something that, quite frankly, we all need and want. So the Gas Exporting Countries Forum predicts Africa will play a bigger role in the global energy market, with significant gas capacity expansion expected. So, can we realise this potential in Africa? Africa's ability to realise its energy potential hinges on avoiding pitfalls, including delays in gas production and projects and competition from other gas-producing regions. A leading indicator of exploration and production is Africa's exploration and production activity, and they serve as a leading guiding rod for the growing importance in the energy landscape. The number of rigs operating in Africa is at its highest since 2019, and spending on exploration and development is reaching new heights. This signifies investor confidence in the continent's energy potential and cements its position as a key player in the industry. But it doesn't end there. Africa's potential as a major producer of green energy is also taking center stage. And let's be frank, we need more green energy. Its sunny deserts, windy coasts, and gushing rivers offer a haven for producing green energy, a game changer for carbon-conscious industries. With investments pouring in and technology advancements, green energy export could become a reality, bringing sustainable power to both local and global markets. And if you've ever lived in Africa, you know that the continent can be prone to power cuts and energy shortages. So this could really be a game changer for the continent. A renewable energy goldmine is how Africa has been described. Africa holds enormous potential in the realm of renewable energy. The continent's sunny deserts, windy coasts, as I mentioned before, are the key to power generation. While Africa currently only accounts for 1% of the world's installed solar and wind capacity, that's rapidly changing. Installed solar capacity has nearly quadrupled since 2016, indicating a growing commitment to harnessing green energy sources. Africa's significance in the future of energy production cannot be understated. With vast reserves of natural resources, an increasing focus on LNG, a promising potential for renewable energy, and the allure of green hydrogen, the continent has all the makings of an energy powerhouse. And as the world seeks to transition to a more sustainable energy future, Africa's contribution will be indispensable. By leveraging its resources responsibly and embracing renewable energy solutions, Africa is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping a cleaner, more resilient global energy landscape. I think it's time to recognize Africa's rising star and support its journey towards a sustainable energy future for all. And as the world grapples with the challenges of climate change and energy security, Africa emerges as a beacon of hope in the future of energy production. With abundant natural resources and a growing focus on green energy, the continent really can help us get to those sustainability and climate goals. But we wouldn't be completely intellectually honest if we didn't talk about the pitfalls and the challenges. There are going to be inevitable and invariable challenges to navigate on this journey. Africa needs to move swiftly to seize the opportunities to supply Europe's energy needs, as competitors like Qatar and America are racing to expand their production. Sloth is truly not an option here. However, Africa's track record shows resilience and cost competitiveness, giving us hope for a prosperous energy future. Talking about promising energy futures, let's talk about the promise of green hydrogen. Green hydrogen, produced by splitting water into oxygen and hydrogen using renewable energy, holds the key to decarbonising energy-intensive industries. With rich solar and wind potential, Africa becomes an attractive location for green hydrogen production. European investment banks estimate that Africa could produce 50 million tonnes of green hydrogen annually by 2035, with potential for significant exports. This could foster sustainable development and pave the way for Africa to become a major player in global hydrogen and the global hydrogen economy. So traders, keep your eyes on Africa, the African companies we can invest in, the cost of carbon, the cost of hydrogen, and all other hydrocarbon energy assets. Stay tuned for exciting developments as we explore this new chapter in the energy game, bringing profits and sustainability hand in hand. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join us on this thrilling trading adventure in the House of Trade. Let's conquer the markets together and make our trading journey truly epic.